Alright gents, how's it going? Welcome back to Dan the Two Wheeler. And yes, we are here with the new beast. This is the Yamaha FZ1. If you didn't manage to check out the little cinematic teaser that we did, and you can check that out now anyway. But for those of you who guessed it, this is the new bike for the channel. So I know that quite a lot of people liked the FZ6 when I had that, and I did as well, to be honest. I love that bike. So I thought if we're looking at getting something new again, let's bring back the FZ family again, but something a bit bigger. So yeah, this is 1000cc. This is the first proper 1000cc motorbike that I've ridden or owned. But yeah, I'm really excited to do loads of mods to it at the moment, completely stock. Well, don't worry about that, we're going to sort that out soon. But anyway, in true Dan the Two Wheeler fashion, we're just going to do our first impressions, first ride on this beast. And you can just listen to me going on crazy about riding a 1000cc bike for the first time. So we just fire this beast up. Like I said, completely standard at the moment. The only thing that's been done to it is a tail tidy. Everything else is completely stock. It doesn't sound bad, but there's nothing compared to when you get an exhaust on it. But anyway, yeah, we're just going to do our first ride impressions. The Yamaha FZ1 1000cc beast of nature. So to be completely honest, the first thing I noticed getting on this bike is just how sturdy and planted it feels. And I know that's kind of obvious, like when you get bigger bikes and they're heavier or whatever, but compared to some other bigger bikes that I've ridden as well, it just feels absolutely solid. Obviously combined with it being a naked position now, more comfortable in terms of on your wrist and your back. So yeah man, it's just it feels good to be back on a naked bike as well. A lot of people are probably wondering, what the hell man, you just got the Ninja, you only had it for like 1.5 years or whatever. Yeah, to be honest, that bike was amazing for that style of riding where you want to go on bends and everything, but for general riding, this position is just a lot more comfortable, to be honest. So the seat comfort is definitely better than the Ninja. It's not amazing. I mean, if you go on a long ride, you still feel it, but it's definitely better, and having this position as well helps a lot. So yeah, just generally to sit on, ride, it feels like you're riding a beast. Like you can tell this isn't just some you know, some 125 or something. This is a next level machine. So yeah, so far comfort, handling, like just general feeling on the road is really nice, and just super smooth as well. Like the engine, obviously 4 cylinders are known for that, but just like accelerating is just, it's just really nice. Typically we just got stuck behind a skip. So what else can we talk about? The power, we'll come on to the power in a second. Obviously this is a lot of power, man. I think it's 150 bhp, so it's the Yamaha R1 engine, from the sort of 2002 or 3 to 2006 model, I think. It's been detuned slightly, so it's not the full 180. It's running 150 bhp, which is still more than enough power than you'd ever need. But for some reason with these old FZ6, these old FZ bikes, when they detune the engines, they kind of left the power in the top end. I'm not sure why or how that happened. So below 6,000 RPM, you're not really in the power band, and the power comes in after that. Having said that, because it's 1000cc, when you accelerate even below 6,000, it's not slow. It's not slow at all, man, trust me. Oh, it's crazy. The other thing that surprised me about this specifically is how kind of flickable it feels for the size and power. You just can't feel that you're, you know, that you're riding like a really powerful machine. It's just, you know, it's just so easy to flick around. So that's really nice, man. Alright, here we go. Third gear, 30 to 50 miles an hour. That's it. It's just... Oh. terms of fuel, the tank's pretty small. It's like 13 pounds to fill it up or something. So nothing special. It looks huge, but it's not really. Yeah, obviously fuel economy is slightly worse than the 600, but to be honest, if you're getting a bike, man, you know, it's about the miles per gallon, not the miles per gallon. I could have waited till I got all the mods on this on the exhaust and then made a video, but I really wanted you to just see this in its purest form, and then once I do everything to it, obviously you can have another look at it. Let's have a quick look at it here, just so you can see what I'm talking about. So here she is, FZ1, a little bit dirty, but good condition, low mileage. Still looks like a beast, doesn't it? Don't worry, we're going to sort out the exhaust. But yeah, I think this is actually the silver one, and the guy who had it spray painted it into this white colour, which I really like. I'm glad he did that, because I'm not a fan of the silver one, to be honest. So if the forks were actually gold, because you do sometimes get the gold and white, then I would have maybe gone with that theme. Because they're not, I'm going with a kind of blue/white theme. So you'll see in the next few videos what it looks like once I've got the mods on. Check out this view, man. You probably can't see anything because of the wide angle lens, but it's pretty epic. That's what you want to see, isn't it? That power coming out of the bends is just crazy. It's nice, man. It's really nice. You can hear it's trying to do the pops, but it's just restricted. Don't worry, mate. We'll sort it out. Just trying to think if I've covered everything I wanted to mention. I guess the brakes are the only other thing I've not really talked about. From using them so far, they are really good, very strong. For some reason on this one though, it's kind of pulsing slightly, so I don't know if that's the disc. I hope it's not a warped disc. Can you see it's kind of like, it's sort of like pulsing, like whoa, whoa, whoa. And anyway, yeah guys, I think that's pretty much it. That's kind of first ride, initial impressions on this beast. Just really looking forward to getting everything sorted on it, using it properly. So look out for the next video where we're going to be talking about all the mods and hopefully get them all done. But until then, I guess thanks for watching, man. Take care, ride safe, and see you in the next one. Peace.